JNTU Hyderabad has released the TS EAMCET 2023 admit card. Aspirants can download their admit card from the official website, that is eamcet.tschhe.ac.in. To download the admit card, candidates have to use their login credentials such as registration number, qualifying exam hall ticket number, and date of birth. Here, Careers 360 provides you the step-by-step process to download the hall ticket. Visit eamcet.tschhe.ac.in. Click on the link Download Hall Ticket. The login window will appear. Enter the registration number, qualifying examination hall ticket number and date of birth and click on Get Hall Ticket button. Now, the admit card will appear on the screen. Download and take a printout of the admit card and save it for future reference. In case of any discrepancies in the TS EAMCET admit card, candidates can contact the exam authorities. Candidates are advised to read the important instructions carefully mentioned on the admit card. For more details related to TS EAMCET 2023 admit card, candidates can check the description box below.